Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the skin so paint adheres and glows. Clean the area thoroughly, then use an alcohol wipe to remove oils. This prevents peeling. Once done, do a small 1 cm patch test and wait 15 to 20 minutes for irritation. Safety first. If clear, thinly apply the first base layer with 0.5 to 1 mm strokes. That creates a smooth canvas and prevents clumping. Make sure edges are feathered so later layers blend seamlessly. You now build color and define shapes. Layering is key. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats, letting each dry 3 to 5 minutes. Use a UV or blacklight to speed curing and check glow intensity. Once layers are dry, switch to fine brushes for crisp lines and a sponge for gradients, working wet on dry to prevent bleeding. For intricate edges, use tiny dabs rather than sweeping strokes. That seals detail without lifting underlying paint. Remember, patience here. You finish by sealing and checking durability. Spray or brush a thin, even layer of skin-safe sealer and let it cure fully before moving or dressing. That locks pigments and reduces transfer. If a smudge appears, gently lift it with a damp cotton swab and do tiny touch-ups. Never scrub. If you feel burning, rash, or unusual irritation, stop and wash the area immediately. If it persists, seek professional advice. Prevention and gentle fixes keep the paint looking professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.